guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got free Hotwheels today. First we have the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. This car is pretty nice, you know. But yeah, here is the front, here's the back. From the I don't know. So this car fireworks. But yeah, this car is pretty nice, you know. I kept on hearing fireworks for like 3 days straight. But yeah, next we got this Scooby-Doo mystery machine. Oh my god, what's wrong? Look. Like on this car, there's like, it's like a scratch on the back. And even at the tires, see? It's kind of weird, I don't know. Next we got this 1973 Ford Falcon. This is actually a Hot Wheel I've been keeping for a while. But yeah, it's pretty nice, you know. But yeah, let's open one. I'm gonna open this one first because I feel like, why not? You know, it's good to open a mystery machine on a day like this. Oh, no, oh, yay, yes. Okay guys, here is a mystery machine. Oh, this car is so cute. It can like fit in my hand, you know. It's like so wide and like look at that. Look, the mystery machine. Look at it. I fixed the tire too. But yeah, look at this. This car is a beauty. Let's put it on here. Wait, a mystery machine. Is it? Oh, hold up. You guys, what happened? What happened to the side? What happened? Like this car is really in not really good condition when I first got it though. But still, this car is like pretty good, you know. It has a good like cyan color. It's got the, you know, it's pretty big too. It's got the cool orange like rims here. It's even got like the cool little flowers and everything. It's also got the, you know, a little tiny tire here, the extra one. Got some orange interior. But honestly, this car is just super cute. I honestly love it. I love it. But I just want it. Oh, never mind. That wasn't a scratch. That was just some. Still, like, this car is just amazing. Mystery machine. Honk. But yeah. Next one I'll pick is the old Ford. You know, 1974 Ford. Let's open from this side. Oh, when you open from this side, it's like. Oh no. When you open it from this side, it's like way easier. Car's too innocent. I love it. Right. Oh, wow. Here is the 1973 Ford Falcon. This car is, wow. Yeah, this car, yeah, that car goes pretty fast, you know. But yeah, this car, it's got this kind of green, magenta, kind of diamond color. It's even got this little black thing. I didn't even notice that was on there. And it's even got these golden fire like stripes going down the car. And it's also got the golden rims too. I don't know, I just love this car. I can't stop looking at it. I don't know, I like this one. But yeah, this car is pretty neat. It's even got a spoiler too. I don't know, like I just love this car. There's just something about it I need to stay away from. Mystery machine. Okay, let's put that right here. I love it. I just love this. Like, why? Next, Koenigsegg Jesko. Yeah, let's open it. Let's try to open from this side and see if we get any luck with not destroying any of the packaging. Uh-oh, that's bad. Yikes. Ooh. Okay, here's the Jesko inside. It's packaging. Get the Jesko out. I'll free you, Jesko. Be free. Yay. Whoa, yay. We got the Jesko. Look at that. Oh my god. It sounds like a muscle car. Look, listen. Huh? Mystery machine. Look. It sounds like a motorcycle. Ooh. Oh, mystery machine. Mystery machine. I love this car. I don't know. I love it. Okay, let's go. Just go. First, this car's got this green kind of stripe through here. And it's also got a thick, dummy thick spoiler too. And it's also got the nice coal kind of color. And it's also got the cool like little roof on the top. And honestly, the car is just beautiful. But yeah, I think they made the spoiler a little too big. I don't know. It just doesn't look right, you know. But I still like the car, you know. It's even got the big spoiler in the back. No, I mean muffler. But yeah, this car is not half bad. It's got a little scratches, kind of. But yeah, it's even got some gray rims. But yeah, pretty nice. Oh, I just can't stop looking at this one. You cannot say you love this. Like, I just can't, you know. But still. Okay, let's just put it right here. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. But yeah, guys. Oh, I can't. Oh. Mystery machine. La, 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 la. What do you mean? But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I haven't posted in a while, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also share. But yeah, bye-bye. And also I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, bye-bye.
Goose. TV.